question 38, we have another geometry question here. I got our highlighter ready. We're going to go through and look at a few things as we read. A preschool is required to have a playground, of at least 900 square feet. Which of the following would be satisfactory measurements for a playground? Two things we need to be mindful of here in that very first sentence. We have square feet, or we have feet, how we would normally see that written, is feet squared. Now we need to know that we are dealing with an area model here. Feet squared, any unit squared would be area. Any unit just feet without any kind of exponent would be linear. We'd be talking about perimeter. And feet cubed would be volume, or how much to fill something up, three-dimensional. So here we're talking about area, which is a length times a width. The other thing we need to be mindful of when we read this, and I'm going to underline this, it's already highlighted, of at least 900 square feet. So we need a measurement that is going to give us 900 square feet or above. Anything above 900 would be fine. Anything below 900 is not satisfactory. We need it to be at least 900. So pull up the calculator here. If you've watched some of the other videos, I had to change the calculator. I can't seem to find the calculator that I normally use with this program, so we're just going to switch to the Windows calculator. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to multiply each of these measures that we're given in the answer choices and find one that will be at least 900 square feet. So it'll be 900 or above. So let's jump over here. We'll do 30 times 32, and that would be 960. So A is a possible choice. And let's pull up the calculator here. We'll do 27. We'll just run through these right quick just to double check. 27 times 30, 810. That is not at least 900, so that will not work. 15 by 40, and you may be able just to do these here, which is fine. That's 600, and that is not enough. And 10 by 80, we'll just add a 0 to the 80, multiply by 10, so that would be 800. So the only one we're left with is answer choice A, which was 960 feet squared. And that is at least 900 square feet. And so that is what we want for this question. So just be mindful when you read, pay particular attention to the at least part of this question. And the first time I did this, to tell you how I read it wrong, first time I did it, I multiplied all of them, and none of them were 900 square feet. And I thought, well, then something must be wrong with the question. And then I went back and read it. It says it's at least 900. So as long as I can get something 900 or above, I would be fine. And remember, our feet squared is area. Feet with just no exponent above it would be linear, something like perimeter. And feet cubed would be a volume of some object.